It's true that double-digit growth will come from a small team of salespeople dedicating 8 hours a day, 5 days a week to the pursuit of new business. But that adds up to a lot of selling conversations. And for those selling conversations to occur, your salespeople will need a lot of sales opportunities. From where, you might ask, will these opportunities come? It turns out that question's a little tricky to answer. It depends on your definition of sales opportunity, or what salespeople call leads. Your sales team would like you to define a sales opportunity as a potential customer with both the means and the intent to purchase. This highly limiting definition might have been excusable when your salespeople were busy looking after existing accounts. But if you sanction this definition, then I have bad news for you. You will never be able to generate sales opportunities at the rate necessary to achieve double-digit growth. However, if you define sales opportunity as simply a competitor's existing customer, then you're in luck. Sales opportunities are abundant. I would encourage you to mandate the second definition.